Welcome. This presentation will cover what taxes are and how to file your income taxes. What exactly are taxes? Taxes are the money used to pay for government expenses and can be used for various projects. For example, taxes can be used on the federal level for defense and interest on the national debt, on the state level for education and transportation projects, for Social Security to provide money for the retired population, and Medicare to provide health care for the elderly population. Taxes are necessary for our country to survive. The money that the citizens pay the government throughout the year is used for many necessary services. Contrary to many beliefs, taxes are not actually paid in April. They are paid throughout the year, with the government taking money from paychecks and using the money. These tax forms are all due on the same date every year, April 15th. However, this year the tax forms are due on April 18th, due to a federal holiday in Washington, D.C. What is actually due in April is a tax return. This is a form that states how much a person has made throughout the year and how much the government took away from the paycheck in taxes. The type of form to fill out depends on the annual income of a person. The easiest form is the 1040-EZ. This is the 1040-EZ Federal Tax Return Form. A person can either get a return from the government or owe more money to the government. Everyone must pay their taxes and accurately. If the government finds someone who is not paying as much as they should, the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, can arrest you. So, pay your taxes. State taxes are paid separately from federal taxes. In this state, Illinois, the IL-1040 form is used. In Illinois, most of the money is used to upgrade schools and maintain public transportation vehicles. This is the Illinois 1040 form. This form states how much a person has made throughout the year and how much the state government took away from the paycheck in taxes. In order to complete your income tax return, you must have a W-2 form, which is mailed to you by your employer. The form states how much you made the past year and how much you paid the government. You will also need a bank statement, stating how much you made in interest over the past year. In the W-2 form, Box 2 states how much money you paid the federal government in taxes. Box 17 states how much money you paid the state in taxes. The other major forms of taxes are Social Security and Medicare that come out of a paycheck. Other forms of taxes include property tax, sales tax, estate tax, and gift tax. This is a sample paycheck. On the left, you can see the type of taxes taken out of the paycheck. On the right, you can see the amount of taxes taken out of the paycheck. There are different ways to file a tax return form. You can file them on paper, online at the IRS and state websites, or hire a certified public accountant, or CPA, to do the work for you. Also, if you need more time to file your taxes, you may ask for a 6-month extension. Thank you for listening to this presentation about taxes.
Tax the street if you try to sing